Hello, my wonderful art family. Welcome back to Famous Art and Craft. I am so thrilled to have you here with me today. Take a deep, relaxing breath, let go of all the stress from your busy day, and step into a world of color, creativity, and pure tranquility. If you are joining us from the United States, Canada, or anywhere around the globe, I want you to know how much your support means to me. Art is not just about putting colors on a canvas or a sheet of paper. It is about creating a little window of peace in our minds. Have you ever stood by a quiet river during the transition of seasons, watching the golden leaves whisper secrets to the wind? Have you ever felt that magical moment when the autumn sun kisses the water's surface, turning ordinary ripples into liquid gold? Today, we are going to capture that exact magic. We are painting a cozy autumn landscape featuring a rustic cabin nestled beside a winding river, surrounded by vibrant golden, orange, and deep forest green trees. Whether you are an absolute beginner picking up a brush for the very first time, or an experienced artist looking for a relaxing creative session, this tutorial is designed for you. Grab your favorite cup of coffee or tea, get comfortable, and let's turn a blank canvas into a breathing piece of nature together. As we move through this creative journey, I invite you to just watch, listen, and let your imagination flow. Notice how every stroke of paint tells a story, how every shade of blue and orange brings life to the scenery. Let this be your safe space, a sanctuary where creativity knows no bounds. Let's begin our masterpiece by focusing on the sky, the canvas of the heavens. In landscape painting, the sky sets the entire emotional tone of the artwork. Notice how we are blending soft blues, gentle whites, and warm earthy undertones. Why do we blend this way? Because nature is never flat or uniform. The sky breathes, shifts, and changes every single second. When you are painting skies, especially in acrylics or mixed media, the secret lies in patience and soft brush movements. Don't rush to fill every inch immediately. Let the colors dance into one another, creating that hazy, dreamy atmosphere of a crisp autumn afternoon. Think about the crisp fall air in North America, the smell of dry leaves underfoot, the cool breeze blowing down from the mountains. That is the feeling we want to embed into these brushstrokes. As we blend the upper atmosphere down toward the horizon, pay attention to how the colors lighten up. This gradient creates a natural sense of depth and perspective, drawing the viewer's eye right into the heart of the landscape. Art teaches us patience. It reminds us that beauty takes time to unfold. If your first blend isn't perfect, don't worry. Every layer is just a stepping stone toward perfection. Keep your hand light, keep your mind calm, and let the brush become an extension of your own heartbeat. Now, let's turn our attention to the river, the lifeblood of this landscape. Water has its own unique personality. It reflects the sky, absorbs the surrounding colors, and tells a story of constant movement and journey. Notice how we are laying down the base tones for the water. We aren't just using flat blue. We are weaving in touches of soft gray, pale yellow, and earthy reflections from the riverbanks. Why? Because water acts as a mirror to the world around it. The golden trees on the shore, the soft clouds overhead, they all leave their gentle imprint on the surface of the river. When painting water streams, your brush strokes should follow the direction of the current. Imagine you are floating down this peaceful river yourself. Feel the gentle sway, the quiet murmur of the water brushing against the riverbanks. In art therapy, painting flowing water is known to reduce anxiety and bring a deep sense of inner calm. It represents letting go, allowing things to move, flow, and take their natural course. As we add highlights and soft ripples, watch how the river instantly comes to life. It transforms from a simple painted surface into a dynamic flowing body of water that invites you to step right into the scene. Take your time here. Blend the highlights softly, ensuring there are no harsh lines, just smooth, natural transitions that capture the gentle movement of a serene autumn evening. And now, my friends, comes one of the most exciting parts of our painting, bringing the forest to life. Look at the transition of colors, from the deep, mysterious dark greens in the background to the vibrant, fiery oranges and golden yellows in the foreground. Autumn is nature's final masterpiece before winter's rest. It's a season of breathtaking transformation, teaching us that change can be profoundly beautiful. When creating autumn foliage, texture is everything. Instead of painting every single leaf with precision, we use a dabbing motion, layering different shades of orange, yellow, and rust to build a rich, dense canopy of trees. Think about the majestic forests of North America during October, the brilliant maple trees blazing in fiery reds and golds. We want to capture that exact warmth on our paper by layering darker background tones first and placing brighter highlights on top. We create incredible three-dimensional depth. Notice the tall, slender birch tree standing proudly beside our rustic cabin. Its textured trunk breaks the monotony of the forest, adding a unique focal point to the composition. Art is all about balance, balancing dark and light, warm and cool tones, detailed focal points, and soft background elements. As you work on your own trees, remember that nature is perfectly imperfect. No two leaves are identical, and no two branches grow the same way. Embrace those little imperfections, because they are what make your artwork truly authentic and uniquely yours. We are now arriving at the heart of our painting, the cozy wooden cabin tucked away by the river. Every great landscape tells a story of a place where one would love to escape, rest, and find peace. Look at how the rustic wooden texture of the cabin is built using warm browns and rich shadows. It sits safely on the lush green riverbank, welcoming anyone who walks down this quiet path. Notice the small boat resting peacefully by the water's edge, waiting for an evening ride down the stream. These little narrative details are what transform a simple drawing into a living, breathing story. As we add the finishing highlights to the roof, windows, and surrounding stones, pay attention to the lighting. The light source is coming from the side, casting soft shadows that give weight and realism to every object. Take a step back, look at the overall composition, and appreciate how far you've come from that blank page. Isn't it amazing how a few simple brushes and colors can create an entire world of comfort and beauty? This is the power of art. It connects us across oceans, languages, and borders. And there we have it. Our peaceful autumn river landscape is complete. I hope you enjoyed this relaxing creative journey as much as I did. If you loved watching this video and want to see more step-by-step art tutorials designed to soothe your soul and elevate your skills, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a massive thumbs up and share it with your fellow art-loving friends. Let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite season to paint? I read every single comment and love hearing from my global art family. Thank you so much for spending your time with Fatema's Art and Craft today. Keep creating, keep believing in yourself, and I will see you in the next magical art tutorial. Have a wonderful day and happy painting!